The ISIS operative arrested on Saturday has been taken back to Delhi from Balrampur. His brother-in-law and wife have also been questioned, and according to sources, 2 more people are on the radar of the agencies. More arrests are likely to take place. Post the arrest, a special cell had recovered 13 more kilograms of explosives from Balrampur, where the accused lived. So, important details coming in on this. The ISIS operative arrested on Sunday, taken back to Delhi now from Balrampur. Let me get in Alok to give us more details on this. Yes, Alok, if you can explain to us the importance of this particular development where the accused ISIS operative is being taken back to Delhi, but there are a number of other recoveries and other disclosures that are also being made by the investigating agencies on this. If you can bring us up to speed, please.
Definitely. In fact, there are 2 more persons who were found to be in touch with this IS suspect. Remember, his arrest made on Friday when he was, in fact, found moving in the national capital. Around 15 kg of explosive was recovered from him. In fact, police got the information that he also made the suicide vest. And also there were several belt also in which he had fixed the bombs, and these three things are also been recovered. In fact, 2 suicide vests and 1 belt that was in fact completely, it was a suicide belt that was also recovered from his residence. In fact, his wife, what the police said, that was aware about the fact that he is collecting the explosives and he is hiding them in his home. Apart from that, his brother-in-law, he was also aware of the fact. So that's why both are on radar of the Delhi Police Special Cell. Police also found out that these vests were for those 2 more persons whom he was touching with the social media site, and he was in continuous in touch with them through WhatsApp chats. So police is trying to identify those 2 persons and locate and to get their locations as well. These 2 persons will also be arrested. However, his family members, his wife and brother-in-law, are also being questioned. Remember, after his arrest, he was taken to Balrampur to get more recoveries, to make more recoveries. And after his recovery, it is suspected that he was highly motivated. In fact, from his residence, ISIS flags were also recovered. So police is feeling that there are many people who were working with him, and all those persons were completely on touch, and they were being guided from the handlers from Afghanistan. So these are the things, these are the inputs that the police has got, and these are the information. Definitely, this is a big catch for the agencies. Police say that there are more arrests likely to happen, but right now he has been taken to Delhi back and he is being further interrogated.
Right, and also sources tell us that there are likely to be more arrests in this case. So the police is getting some important leads from this particular ISIS operative who have been arrested by the Delhi police. Thanks for joining us, Alok, with your inputs on the story. Well, with that, we take a